Assalamualaikum grade 6. I hope you will be fine. Yesterday we solved question number 1 to 3 of exercise number 15. Today we are going to solve next question number 4. Okay students, statement of question number 4 is a block of wood. A block of wood is 75 centimeter multiplied by 50 centimeter multiplied by 40 centimeter. How many cubes of side 0.1 meter can be curved out of it? These are the dimensions: length, breadth and height. And we will find in this question how many cubes of side 0.1 meter. Okay, the solution of this question is, it is given that length is equals to 75 centimeter, breadth is equals to 50 centimeter and height is equals to 40 centimeter. We know that volume is equals to length multiplied by breadth multiplied by height. By putting the values 75 multiplied by 50 multiplied by 4. Now we will multiply. After multiplying we will get 1,50,000 centimeter cube. This is the volume of block of wooden block. Okay, now we will change this into meter. Volume, to look at here students, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. To convert centimeter cube, we will divide 100 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 100. इन सिंपली हम कह सकते हैं कि हम 1,50,000 को 3 times 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे टू कन्वर्ट इट इनटू मीटर. सो लुक एट हियर स्टूडेंट्स, 0 cancel with the 0, 0 cancel with the 0. Now these 0 cancel with these zeros, these 0 cancel with these zeros, and 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 0 as it is. So we have 3/20. So we will get 3/20. Now after dividing these value we will get 0.15 meter cube. So this is volume in meter, 0.15 meter cube. Now volume of cube of side 0.1 meter. It is given that one side of cube is 0.1 meter. Now we will find this cube we will find the volume of this cube, which is equal to 0.1 multiplied by 0.1 multiplied by 0.1. After multiplication we will get 0.001 meter cube. Now we find the number of cubes. Number of cube is equal to volume of cuboid over volume of cube of side 0.1 meter. So dear students, we will put the value. Volume of cuboid is 0.15 and the volume of cube of side 0.1 meter, this is equals to 0.001. After dividing we will get 150. So required number of cubes is equals to 150. This is the required answer of question number 4. Now question number 5 is, find the volume of each of the cubes whose edges are given below. First part is 1.5 meter, second is 60 centimeter and third is 2/3 meter. Now dear students, we will find the volume of these cubes one by one. Now solution of first part 1.1 meter is, we know that volume is equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side. You will write here length multiplied by length multiplied by length. It's up to you. Okay, now put the value 1.5 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by 1.5. After multiplication we will get 3.375 meter cube. This is the required volume of this cube. Now second part is 60 centimeter. We know that volume is equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side. After putting the value 60 multiplied by 60 multiplied by 60, we will get 2,16,000 centimeter cube. This is the required volume of this cube, which has the length is 60 centimeter. Now third part is 2/3. Dear students, first we know that volume is equals to side multiplied by side multiplied by side. In these parts we will apply the same formula. So now we will put the value. After putting the value we will get 2/3, 2 multiplied by 2/3 multiplied by 2/3. Now we will change into fraction. Proper fraction we will change into improper fraction. 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2 is equals to 8. So 8/3, same 8/3, 8/3. Now dear students, we will multiply 8 multiplied by 8, 8 multiplied by 8. After multiplying 8 3 times we will get 512. And 3 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 3, we will get 27. Now we will divide this value. After dividing, we will get 18.97 meter cube. If you will write your answer in this in fraction form, you will write here 26 over 27, or you will write into decimal form. It's up to you. Okay students, this is the answer of third part. Okay students, question number 6 is a cubical wooden block of edge 2.1 meter is cut into small cubes, each having an edge of 35 centimeter. Determine the number of small cubes that can be obtained. Solution of this question is, length of edge of block is equals to 2.1 meter. It is given. We find volume. We know that volume is equals to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Now we will put the value. After putting the value, we have 2.1 multiplied by 2.1 multiplied by 2.1. Now we will multiply these values. After multiplication, we will get 9.261 meter cube. Now, length of edge of small cubical block is equals to 35 centimeter. It is also given in the question. Now, we will change this centimeter into meter. To change centimeter into meter, we will divide by 100 this value. So, 35 over 100 is equals to 0.35 meter. Okay students, after change into meter, we will get volume is equals to 0.35 meter. Now, we will find volume of small cube. We know that volume of small cube is equals to length multiplied by length multiplied by length. Put the value 0.35 multiplied by 0.35 multiplied by 0.35. After multiplication, we will get 0.042875 meter cube. This is the volume of small cube. Okay. Now we will find number of small cubes. How many cubes? So, number of small cubes we can obtain by using this formula, volume of cube over volume of small cube. So, volume of cube we have already find, which is equals to 9.261. It is divided by the volume of small cube, that this is the volume of small cube, 0.042875. After dividing these two values, dear students, we will get 216. This is the required answer of this question. Now, question number 7 is the last question of this exercise. A storage room is 6 meter long, 5 meter wide and 3.5 meter high. How many tanks of capacity 120 liters each can it hold? Solution of this question is, it is given that length is equals to 6 meter, width is equals to 5 meter and height is equals to 3.5 meter. We know that volume is equals to length multiplied by height, width multiplied by height. Now put the value 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3.5. After multiplication, we will get volume of room is equals to 105 meter cube. Now change into liters. We know that to change meter into liters, we will multiply by 1000. So 105 multiplied by 1000, this is equals to, we will get 1,05,000 liters. Okay. Now volume of one tank is equals to 120 liter. Now we find number of cubical tank. Number of cubical tank it can be hold is equals to volume of room over volume of one tank. So dear students, put the value 1,05,000 over 120. After dividing, we will get 875. So number of cubical tank it can hold 875. This is the result. 875 cubical tanks it can hold. This is the answer of question number 7. Now, dear students, we are going to discuss multiple choice of this unit. Select the correct answer from the given option. First question is, the amount of space a 3D object occupies is the same as its capacity. Options are true, true for cubes only, false, true for some solids. So, correct option is true. The amount of space a 3D object occupies is the same as its capacity. जो चीज़ आपकी जितनी जगह घेरती है वो उसकी स्पेस होती है. And the second option is, if a cuboid has a volume of 40 cubic units, then the value of the sides A, B and C are. So dear students, to solve this expression, to find the answer of this question, we will multiply all the values and एंड वी विल चेक किसका आंसर आपका 40 क्यूबिक आएगा. जिसका आंसर आपका 40 क्यूबिक आएगा वो आपका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा. लुक एट हियर, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज 10, 20 and 10 to 2. 10 2s are 20, 20 2s are 40. So if we will find the volume of these values, we will get 40. Next is 4 10s are 40, 40 1s are 40. This is also equals to 40. 10 2s are 10 to 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40. This is also 40. All the above. So correct option is D. All the options are correct. Clear? Now third is, if the volume of a cube is 216 centimeter cube, then the length of each side is. So dear students, we will find cube root of this value and we will find the length of each side. Options are 54, 6, 72, 36. So correct option is 6, because when we will multiply 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6, we will get 216 centimeter cube. Is that clear? Okay students, fourth MCQ is, if the dimensions of a cuboid are 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter and 3 centimeter respectively, and the dimensions are increased 3 times each, what will be the new volume? So dear students, first of all we have these values, length, breadth and height. We will find the volume by using these values, 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. After multiplying we will get 6. So we have 6 centimeter cube volume of a cuboid. Now next is, if we will increase 3 times each measurement, so it becomes after multiplying by 3 we will get 3, after multiplying 3 we will get 6, and after multiplying by 3 we will get 9. Now we have these 3 new values, new length, breadth and height. They are increased 3 times, so we will multiply these 3 values. 3 6 are 18, 18 9s are, so we will multiply here 18 9s are 9 8s to 7, 9 1s are 9 plus 7, this is equals to 162. First volume is 6, and after increasing 3 times we will get a new volume which is 162. Now dear students, we will divide these both values, we will divide these two volumes. 162 divided by 6, 6 2s are 12. After subtracting we will get 4 and 2 as it is, 6 7s are 42. So it is increased 27 times. So option C is the correct option, 27 times the original volume. Okay. Now we are going to discuss next and last MCQs of this unit, MCQs number 5. There is a string of 10 graded cubes. The volume goes from 1 centimeter cube, 8 centimeter cube, 27 centimeter cube, 64 centimeter cube, up to so on 1000 centimeter cube. Volumes of the cubes between the first and the last cubes are. First option is unlimited. No, this is not a correct option, because it is given that it is start from 1 8 27 up to so on 1000. This is limited value. Second option is 8 27 64 125 216 343 512 729 cubic meters. Now we will check for this option. To check for this option, dear students, look at here. If we note that, अगर हम इसको नोट करें तो 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 is equals to 1. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 is equals to 8. 3 multiply by 3 multiply by 3 is equals to 27. 4 multiply by 4 multiply by 4 is equals to 64. So next term is 5 multiply by 5 multiply by 5 is equals to 125. Next is 6 multiply by 6 multiply by 6 is equals to 216. 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7 is equals to 343. 8 multiply by 8 multiply by 8 is equals to 512. 9 multiply by 9 multiply by 9, this is equals to 729. In this way we will take correct option, option B. Okay. Now we will discuss next options also. 1 multiply by 1, 2 multiply by 2, 3 multiply by 3, 4 multiply by 3. Dear student, this is 2-dimension value. But we know we know that volume is a 3-dimension value, so it is not a correct answer. Now next is none of the above, so it is also an also not a correct option. So correct option is option B. Clear? Today we solved question number 4 to 7 and MCQs of unit number 5. I hope you will practice them by heart. Take care. Allah Hafiz.